We showed you some video of the funnel that we saw here in East Texas, Marcus, but tomorrow brings a bit of a different story.
Yeah, a lot more calmer weather up ahead. We're going to get a nice stretch of weather, but it's also going to heat up a lot more too. Where are the storms now? Well, they're in southeast Texas through Louisiana. A look at the radar does show that rainfall is continuing to push through there. There's a couple of stronger storms that still cannot be ruled out. Well southeast of our area, no concerns for us. We just have some lingering showers. Now, one thing we just got word in, there's a developing very small area of low pressure that's moving through near portions of Louisiana, and we could see some gusty winds pick up back in Angelina, Nacogdoches, down in Toledo Bend. Maybe some brief wind gusts tonight, upwards to about 30 or 40 miles an hour. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye on that. These are your storm reports that we've had submitted to the National Weather Service. A host of flooding reports, so you may have some problems on some of those traveled roadways. We've got a list of road closures over at KETK.com, or pull out the app right now and take a look at some of those road closures. And then we had those 2 tornado reports as well in Rusk County from earlier today. Rainfall totals, a lot of rain in some areas. Radar estimate near Hawkins close to about 3 inches. Red Springs 2.5. Same for Hideaway. We had almost 3 inches at Tyler Pounds Regional Airport. The record rainfall today was 3 inches set back in 1935, so just shy of that. But look at this swath, heavier precipitation. East Cherokee County, radar estimates 4-5 inches. Tatum, 4 inches of rain. Don't have a rain gauge amount from the Rusk County Airport or around Henderson, but we know we had a lot of water that moved through there. Jacksonville, nearly an inch. Emerald Bay, Cumberland Ridge, around 1.5 inches of rain. Priscilla at 0.6, close to an inch near Lufkin. But notice in Trinity County, some heavier rain did pick up. We had some radar estimates there, close to about 2.5 inches. Right now, sitting into the 60s at this time, decreasing clouds as well as our cold front is beginning to move in. We'll watch some of the winds that may pick up across portions of deep East Texas. Right now, those winds appear relatively light. We are also going to see some areas of fog develop tomorrow morning, mainly for locations south of Interstate 20. Some of the fog dense for your morning commute, so keep that in mind as you start your day tomorrow. But in the afternoon, sunshine will make its return. We've got a comfortable day tomorrow. Highs in the lower to a few mid-80s, but the humidity picking up for the weekend. A heat index on Saturday close to 95. And on Sunday, the heat index maybe 95 to 98 in the afternoon. Our air temperatures right around 90. All of this is because of a developing ridge of high pressure giving us an early taste of summertime weather for us. There's the ridge that builds in from Mexico. It'll start to increase. The strongest of this ridge probably picking up as we get into next Tuesday and Wednesday. That's where we're going to see more of the warmer temperatures. We should make it to the lower 90s by then. I can't rule out a couple of mid-90s, but I think because of the rain that we've seen today, that may help keep this temperature low for a few days. So we're going to have to dry out some of that soil in order for that to happen. There's your 7-day forecast. We're looking fairly dry. I can't rule out an isolated shower for next week with the heat and humidity, but it's mainly all about the heat that we'll continue to see here over the next few days. Similar forecast too in deep East Texas. Sun is back tomorrow, and we're going to heat up for the weekend.
Marcus, thank you very much.